In this video, we will talk about how to fix Discord not opening Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Clear Discord app data. Click in Search. Type Run. Open it. Type %appdata% and click on OK. Right-click the Discord folder and select Delete. Repeat the process. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type %localappdata% and click on OK. Locate the Discord folder and delete it. After clearing these folders, restart your PC and try launching Discord again. Method 2. Update Windows and drivers. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Select Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type DXDIAG command. Click on OK. If you will see Yes prompt, then click on Yes. Here, you need to click on Display tabs. You can see the name of your graphic card. Open any browser you have and visit your GPU manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Method 3. Temporarily disable antivirus. Your antivirus or firewall might be blocking Discord from launching. Temporarily disabling these antivirus can open Discord again. For that, click on the arrow. Right-click on Antivirus icon and select Disable option for next 30 minutes and check Discord application opens up. So that's how you can fix Discord not opening Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods to fix the issue, linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.